Most people think diabetes is all about blood sugar. But what if I told you, we've been treating it backwards? If you or someone you love is managing diabetes, this could change everything you thought you knew. For decades, the standard approach to diabetes has focused on lowering blood sugar, with insulin, medications, or dietary adjustments. Sounds logical, right? But here's the catch: blood sugar is just a symptom. It's not the root cause. Imagine having a fever and only treating it with ice packs. Sure, you reduce the heat, but you're ignoring the infection driving the fever. That's exactly what happens with most diabetes care today. The real problem behind type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance. This means your cells are no longer responding well to insulin, the hormone responsible for moving sugar out of your blood and into your cells. As resistance builds, your pancreas pumps out even more insulin to compensate. Eventually, it can't keep up. That's when blood sugar finally rises, and only then do we label it diabetes. But the dysfunction started years earlier. When we only focus on lowering blood sugar, especially by giving more insulin, we may actually be increasing insulin resistance over time. That's why many people need higher doses year after year, and their health continues to decline. It's like adding more fuel to a fire you're trying to put out. To reverse the root problem, we have to address metabolic dysfunction directly, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce processed carbs and sugar, prioritize healthy fats and proteins, increase muscle mass and movement, get quality sleep and manage stress. Thousands have reversed prediabetes, and even type 2 diabetes, by addressing how their bodies process energy, not just their blood sugar levels. If we keep chasing symptoms, we'll never find true healing. But when we look deeper, when we fix the engine, not just the warning light, that's when transformation happens. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. And if you want to go deeper into metabolic health and reversing insulin resistance, grab my free ebook, Carb linked below. It's time to stop managing diabetes and start understanding it.